Hello everyone, once again welcome to PM Networking. Guys, today in this video I am going to show you how to set time and date on Cisco router, how to configure time and date. So here on this router I am going to set time and date. So first of all, let me take access of this router. Okay, after that, guys, command to check timer on router is show clock, right? So here you can see time, but how to configure time and date on router? So command is clock. After that, if you will put question mark, then you will get this option set over here, right? So set the time and date. So you need to write set over here. After that, if you will put question mark, then you need to put time. So current time is, you can see in my laptop, right? Time is 20 hour 01 minute, and after that second, let me put 00 second. After that, if you will put question mark, then you will get day of the month. So today is 30 March, right? After that 30, and now if I will put question mark, then here is month, right? So month is March, so you need to write March over here. After that, year is 2022, and now if you will put question mark, so you will get CR means command completed. Okay, now let me enter. After that, you can see the log message. Okay, your time is set. Time is 20 hour 1 minute and 0 second, Wednesday, March 30, 2022. Now you can verify it as well. So clock, you can see year, date, month and day, right? After that, this is hour, this is minute, and this is second. Okay, so guys, this is how you can set time and date on your router. Guys, for more video like this, subscribe this channel PM Networking. If you like this video, please hit on like button. Thank you, thanks for watching. Bye bye.